Today we'll go through the complete Elite contour technique. No filing is required, just minimal shaping to perfect the edge. Begin by applying a thin layer of gel from the free edge upward, stopping just before you reach the cuticle. Make sure there's no excess gel at the cuticle. The application should be thin with a small 2 mm space left around the cuticle. Flash cure under the LED flashlight for 3 to 5 seconds. Next, we'll apply a thin layer of gel along each side of the form to straighten the sidewalls and protect the nail from breaking. Now we'll sculpt the free edge, keeping it thin at the very end and slightly thicker as it meets the nail. The last step is building the nail bed area with an even layer of gel. Position the form at a 45-degree angle, starting with the pressure at the cuticle, and carefully guide the gel toward the free edge. Cure just the nail bed section first, so you can still adjust the free edge if necessary. Remove any excess gel if needed before full curing. Wipe any gel off the skin carefully with an alcohol-dipped brush. Give a quick flash cure under the free edge to secure the gel before full LED curing. Complete the cure by placing it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now let's carefully remove the form. As you can see, the cuticle area is smooth and flawless. The sidewalls are reinforced and fully protected. The free edge underneath looks clean, even, and well-shaped. Now let's wipe off the sticky layer. We'll refine the nail shape slightly for a flawless finish. Let's lightly buff the surface to smooth out any imperfections. Wipe off the dust. Apply a thin layer of top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Your Elite contour nail is complete, smooth, strong, and ready to shine.